Run.
The difference between Goldens and Labs.
Good. Easy.
Balloon is a great toy for dogs.
I got the dog food for you. Yo.
Trains are fast, boys, but they named a bus after me! Oh, come on, Trash. I'm sorry. I made a mistake.
How? You know I'm sensitive about my nose.
Be baptized, brother, and be gone from here, Satan!
Dog Sidious.
Wow! Terry, that was incredible! You're gonna nail this audition! Can I get your autograph before you're famous? You think you'll meet Natalie Portman? Mom, be honest. Am I adopted? I wanna go to the dog park. They're not extinct! Jurassic Park is real! Not now, Derek. I'm right in the middle of my workout video. Sorority picture time. Get over here, Shelly. 3, 2, 1. Phi Fetchislava! Let me see it before you post it. Hey, sugar, did you pick up the bone meal? You forgot the bone meal. That's the one thing I needed. I gotta go outside. I gotta get some air. Hi, I'm Ricky. Your blind date. I can show you the world. Yeah! See, Pete, he sleeps with his feet to his teeth.
Oh, you thought I was the French bulldog, wee.
Yeah, coyotes are so stupid. Those are your ancestors, Philip. Oh, I'm all bark and no bite, huh? Well, how about I just bite your bark then? I'll see you dudes later. Sign the Texas Tornado. I've been on Tinder 2 months and haven't been matched with anyone. I'm house trained, can sit, can shake. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. Why? Whoa! Get a hold of yourself, kid! Hey, Evan, what are you doing in here? Oh, you taking a nap? Okay. My name is Cotton and I'm trotting to a yacht I bought in Scotland.
Thank you.